have been supported, strengthened, especially in their higher educational activities. And on the whole, we can say that from its monastic traditions, which were over 100 years old at the time we started, we have made fair progress. And I could say that while conserving the strength in the areas of excellence, particularly Pali and Buddhist studies, which have been the forte of this institution, we have also added recently the physical sciences, the biological sciences, commerce and management.
At the University of Kelaniya, humanities and the social sciences happily and meaningfully blend. A practical class in chemistry is in progress. Samples for the fisheries biology course are being analyzed for their productivity trials. Here's a student in applied entomology studying the population dynamics of some insects infesting stored rice and flour. Staff members of the Department of Zoology prepare a practical class to demonstrate the structure of the Russell's viper, Tippolanga, comparing it with a non-poisonous snake, Diabaria. A senior lecturer in the same department demonstrates to the students the structure of an elephant's skull and its adaptations to modes of life. The Science Dean, Professor S.P.B. Vikramasuriya, explains the new developments in his faculty.
The department has got a link with the biology department of Calgary University in Canada.
The Master of Science course in microbiology is a full-time postgraduate course conducted by the Department of Botany. A sufficiently well-equipped microbiology laboratory is housed here. Due to the initiative taken by the chairman of the University Grants Commission, Professor F.S.C. Kalpage, the University of Kelaniya was able to add computer education to its curriculum in 1984. This subject falls within the purview of the Department of Mathematics, whose long-standing head was the late Professor C.R. Kulatilaka, one of the earlier presidents of this institution. The university maintains a botanical garden as well. The nerve center of the university is the library. During the time of Mr. M.J. Pereira, the first competent authority, the library building program was in progress. The library is being developed to meet the demands of the students and the staff. With a view to meeting their research requirements, special steps were taken. The library building has a seating capacity for 800 readers. It is a two-storied building with a basement. In the ground floor is the reference library. Ancient inscriptions and paleographical tables. Ancient Ola manuscripts, well preserved in the air-conditioned rare book section. A Sinhala Ola leaf manuscript with a decorated cover. A commentary of a Pali book written on Ola leaves. Inside of the Ola leaf manuscript, a collection of specimen handwriting of older scholars, Honorable Sir D.B. Jayatilaka, Venerable Ratmalane Dharmarama. Donations of an entire Tripitaka, or the threefold canon, from Tibet, and from China. The office in the basement. The librarian, Mr. T.G. Piyadasa, commented that the library is not only a repository of books, but also a convenient display gallery for student exhibitions, some with foreign collaboration. Mr. M.D.G. Aberatna, the registrar of the university, detailed its capital development, the plan of the buildings, landscaping, and the financial constraints imposed by the Treasury.
The administration building and the state of the landscape and the roads within the university campus. So my main task was to get the necessary funds from the University Grants Commission and then to monitor the development of these projects with the assistance of government agencies like the Director of Buildings and the Chief Construction Engineer of Colombo North, who also comes under the Director of Buildings. That is with regard to capital development. We were also asked by the University Grants Commission during the latter part of last year that we prepare a 5-year corporate plan of development of SL, the late Professor S.L. Kaplavala as Vice Chancellor.
A university is meant primarily for the student population. Kelaniya University looks after the students by providing them with welfare facilities such as a student center, dining hall, common room, and recreation facilities. Sports activities play a vital part in the day-to-day lives of the students. The students have won many a trophy in the past. The students collectively participate in forging a bond between the staff and themselves. They organized a meeting to commemorate the death of their last Vice-Chancellor. Some of the students hold exhibitions of paintings and photography in the university as well as in the metropolis. Others engage in debates, polemics, and student council elections. The staff through the University Teachers Association and the students through the Student Council work jointly together for the development of their alma mater. Kelaniya University has reached its present privileged position through the sheer unstinted dedication and cooperation of both students and teachers alike in a truly meaningful manner, befitting the qualities of leadership of the university's Chancellor, the Venerable Dr. Walpola Rahula Thera. The convocation ceremony is really the acme in the lives of university students, their teachers and their parents, representing the fulfillment of their hopes and aspirations.